Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw on your video on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm just going to open up the project I have just created on my CapCut. Wait. Okay, this is the project I have just created and I'm going to open it. And for example, I'm going to draw on this video. If you want to draw, we need to go to the text menu in CapCut right here, just like the text, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find draw. Okay, and then you can choose the style for your drawing. You can choose basic style or pattern. If you want to choose basic, just go to the basic, and then I'm going to try this one, the one with glow effect. And for the color, I'm going to choose, for example, red. Okay, and let's start the drawing. Okay, like this guys. And if you want to erase it, you just need to click on the eraser, and then you can erase the drawing like this. Okay, and then you can also change the size of the pencil and then the opacity as well. If you want to increase the size, just go right like this. Okay, and then you can customize the opacity like this. And then I'm going to show you how the pattern looks like. I'm going to try the pattern. Okay, and unfortunately almost all of them are premium, but don't worry because we can still use the free one. I'm going to try this one. Okay, and oh my god, it looks good. It looks magical. Okay, let's try this one as well. Okay, and once you're done with your drawing, you can click on the check mark, and then this is the result. Okay, and you can extend your drawing. You can make it align with your video like this. Just drag it, and if you want to remove them all at once, you can just go back to the text and then select your drawing, and then you can click on delete, and then the drawing will be removed automatically. Oops, sorry. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw on our video on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!